In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoho Mail not receiving emails. We'll walk through a few essential checks inside Zoho Mail to quickly identify what's blocking new messages and get your inbox flowing again. Follow along in your browser and pause as needed while you make each change. First, check your storage. Log in to Zoho Mail, open Settings. Go to Mail Accounts and review your storage details. When your mailbox is full, incoming emails bounce back to senders, which can look like mail just stopped arriving. If you are at or near the limit, clear space by deleting old messages, especially those with large attachments. And then empty your trash so the space is actually freed. Consider saving big attachments to your computer or cloud storage before deleting the email if you might need them later. If you consistently run out of room, upgrading your plan is a practical fix. Free plans start at 5 GB per user. Next, manually check the spam, trash, and archive folders. It's common for legitimate messages to land there due to aggressive spam filters or accidental clicks. Open each folder and scan for recent messages you expected. If you find any, move them back to the inbox and mark them as not spam when applicable so Zoho learns your preference. Give the page a quick refresh after moving emails to ensure your inbox view updates. Now review your block lists. Head to Settings, open the Anti-Spam list. Then Blocked Senders or Block List. Look for any email addresses or entire domains that may have been added by mistake and remove them. If messages are still being filtered, check the Allow list or Trusted Senders area and add important contacts you always want to receive. This tells Zoho to prioritize those messages and can reduce the chance of them being flagged. Finally, inspect your filters. Go to Settings, then Filters. And review any rules you've set up. Filters can automatically route, archive, or even delete emails based on sender, subject, or keywords. Temporarily disable suspicious rules or edit them so they only affect the messages you intend. Be careful with conditions like contains or broad domains, as they can capture more mail than expected. Remember, changing a filter affects new mail going forward. Previously moved messages will remain where they are until you relocate them. Once you've cleared space, checked hidden folders, cleaned up block and allow lists, and fine-tuned filters, give your mailbox a moment and refresh. That's it. Thanks for watching.